In this video tutorial I want to show you how you can use the carousel element in systemeio because, especially for beginners, it can be a little bit tricky. Like every element in systemeio, you just need to grab the element and drop it wherever you want in your page. Let's put it here. Now, I just have a new carousel element. What a carousel is a sequence of slides, and these slides can contain different elements, images, videos, or text, or whatever. Let me show you how it works. You need to click on this carousel element, and here on the left, in the settings section, as you can see, at the moment, you only see slide 1. If you want to add more slides, you just need to click on this button, add a new slide, and again add a new slide if you want more than 2. This is the first thing you need to do. Decide how many slides your carousel will have. Before showing you the other settings, now we need to insert something here. So the first thing, you need to select slide 1. These need to be selected. Then you need to click on this back button, and let's say you want to add an image in your first slide. So you can drag and drop your image element here, and this is the first slide. Obviously, once you insert your image element, you need to click on your image element and choose the image. By clicking on this image file, I made a specific video on how you can upload images in systemeio. You can find the link in the description. So if I click here, I can go to your images and let's choose a random image for the sake of this example. So I choose the image and I click insert. And this will be my first slide. Now you need to go again into the carousel settings. If you want an easy way to do it, you can go here above. As you can see, you can see you are on the image right now. By going into carousel and clicking, you are now in the carousel settings, and you need to choose now slide number 2. This changes, it's empty. Again, go back here and let's place another different image on slide 2. So here we choose another image from your images. Let's use this one, insert. And for the third slide, again, you go here above, click on carousel, choose slide number 3, go back, and this time let's place a content box, because you can place whatever you want. Let's say this is our slide number 3. You can choose your carousel also by moving your mouse. As you can see, when I move my mouse, different elements get selected. So if I go here and click here, I will go into the carousel settings, and now we can see the other options. We have arrow navigation. You are not able to see them right now because the color is white. So you need to change the color in order to see these elements. So the controls color, let's use the black color here. And as you can see, now you can see these little dots. And for the arrow color, again, let's use the black. And now you can see these arrow here, just one at the moment. Now you need to save your page and take a look at the preview so you can see how the carousel works. Let's click here. This is the preview button. So the page opens and I have my slide here. This is the first slide. If I click on this arrow, I can go to the second slide. In this case, I have both the arrows because I can go back or forward. And if I click here, I have the third slide here. One thing you'll notice is that this is a basic carousel. It not auto slides, so these slides can only change if the user clicks on these arrows, and it's not automated. This is an option that's not included right now into systemeio, but there is a way to automate this carousel by adding a custom code. But this will be another tutorial because I want to keep things really basic and simple right now. You can also change the dimensions of your elements into the carousel. You just need to click on the element itself, so the image in this case. You can choose if you want to fill 100% width, for instance, or you can make the image smaller, so you can also see these dots that was hidden by the image. And in the carousel settings, you can obviously work on these padding settings, so you can do something like this and make the carousel higher, for instance, or also use margins, but this is something you can do pretty much with every element in system. Again, the carousel can be a little bit tricky sometimes for beginners because you need to work on single slides one by one, but as you can see, you can do it pretty easy. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. If so, well, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and take a look at my other tutorials. Thank you very much for watching.